Hey guys, I thought I'd show you some accessories that are very helpful at night. I use this Bahtinov mask for focusing, and I'm going to try to do a video on how I focus in astrophotography tool. But this just fits right in the inside where the primary lens is. And then to clean the lenses, before I put that on, I have this little blower here, and basically I never really touch the lens with it. I just blow the lens to get dust particles off. So I find that that's very helpful. And then I got this on Amazon, and this is, and I'll show you how it works here. Let me take it back down. Basically, it's a very soft brush that I use to wipe the objective off with. So I'm going to pause the video and show you how I do that, and then how I put the Bahtinov mask inside the 80mm here. So let me put that down like so, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back at the scope, and let me show you what I do to clean the lenses. I take the protective cap off, and as you can see, there's the glass that I like to clean every now and then. And then here's the guide scope glass here, and then here's the main imaging scope primary objective lens here. So basically what I do is, oh Ben, can you go get me the air blower first? Yeah. So what I'll do with this is I'll just I'll take this here, and I'll just try not to touch the glass. Just blow it to get the dust particles off, and I'll do the same thing up here. And then after that, Ben, can you hold that and give me that little brush over there? My son Benjamin's helping me out. Very helpful. And then what I'll do here with this is that real fine brush. I'll just take it inside. If I can try to angle this so you can see. Oh boy. I'll just take it and just kind of go in there like so. And just really clean that lens. Same thing with the guide scope. Okay, so get that off of there. Okay, I'll trade you. Alright, so this is the Bahtinov mask, and how I put that in is like so. This just fits inside like so. Okay, so this is what the Bahtinov mask looks like when it's on the front of the scope. And so later on I'll show you how I focus with the Bahtinov mask using astrophotography tool. Thanks for joining me.